Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sanj and I'm going to share with you an effective remedy after you have got sunburn and how to prevent sunburn from turning into pigmentation. We may get tanned even after applying sun cream, but it's totally fine. However, if you've got sunburn, your skin will be quite red and painful looking, very sore. After that, if we don't look after that skin at that time, if we don't treat it at that time, we will end up with pigmentation. It will be very hard to get rid of. It may lighten over time if you do the correct treatments. However, it's very difficult. So I'm going to show you what I done after I had sunburn just 2 days ago. I even applied my sun cream. I topped it up twice or 3 times while I was out. So every 2 hours I applied it, reapplied it and topped it up. Because of my hay fever, which actually flared up really badly. Normally I am very good at keeping my hay fever at bay. Hay fever symptoms, I control them very well. I've got the video in my YouTube channel if you want to know what I do to calm down my hay fever basically. But at that time I was not at home. I didn't have everything to calm down my hay fever symptoms. I was outside and it actually flared up really bad. So what I was doing, I was sneezing, blowing my nose, which actually ended up rubbing off my sun cream. So it made it less effective. Therefore, when I came home, I noticed I have a hole. This area turned into a really red and sore. What I done the next day when I reached home was this. Just one ingredient, I applied it 2 to 3 times throughout the day, and it actually helped with my sunburn. If you are applying those creams that are advertised outside in the market that you can apply after sunburn, it will help you. They never help me in any ways. I have tried them, the after sun lotion type things. They actually made it worse and I ended up having pigmentation. I do have pigmentation on my nose. If you want to avoid pigmentation, this is what you need to do. So stay tuned and keep watching till the end. So the ingredient you need to calm down your sunburn and prevent pigmentation is yogurt. Make sure it's nice and cold for the cooling effect. And also it must be plain yogurt, not the flavored or sugared ones. Yogurt contain lactic acid and lactic acid work as an exfoliant and remove the skin's top layer. And the protein in yogurt can help soothe the skin. After cleansing your face, apply it directly to the sunburned skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And you must repeat it every 2 to 4 hours as necessary to see the results. After the sunburn, the sooner you apply this yogurt on your skin, the better results you will get. Once yogurt is dried, you can wash it with normal water or you cleanse it with your mild cleanser and make sure you apply moisturizer. Instead of moisturizer, you can also use aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, you can use the store-bought ones, the organic ones. However, avoid using the plant leaf aloe vera gel because it can irritate your sunburned skin. Because treating sunburn, you need to make sure you have very mild and gentle ingredients in your skincare products so that it doesn't irritate the skin even further and lead to more pigmentation. So guys, I hope this video helped you in some way, and if you did like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.